Yeah, nigga. You know what the fuck going on? Fuck going on, nigga. Big walk shit, nigga. I be at LNG, nigga. Hoes on my dick, cause I got that shit. You hear me? Know we got that shit they want, nigga. Fuck going on, nigga. Fuck talking about. Block in the bed, ain't on safety. Just little ice box, caught the new AP. Bitch on my dick, little badass freak. Got 2 friends with her, I don't care, I'ma speak. We in the trap, this shame for the week. Got money on my mind every day of the week. Finna don't give a fuck, I don't never get no sleep. On the block every day, on my knee, gotta eat. Switching up the wood just in case I gotta creep. Niggas know I spin the block every day of the week. Dressing all black like I kick it those days. Only fuck on bad bitches, the ugly ones hating. I been had some rap, but I still want some paper. My bitch in the back, she gon' tell you she hating. I throw up the set, they gon' send in the payment. Rerock the work, we gon' stash in the basement. I walk in the beat, yeah, you know I go crazy. Keep talking that shit, leave your ass in the pavement. Rats on my rig 3P. Can't fuck with a bitch on the passenger side, BB. Drugs in the system, he sleep. I'm a real ass nigga, we don't care about beat, we eat. Trap never close, I can kill what you make. Had to ship out the work to my boys, I didn't make it. We don't have no issues, they golf frame my picture. Glock with extension, you know my eye hitting. You know my eyes hitting, nigga. You know my life hit, nigga. We fucking number bad bitches. No IG shit, nigga. Spinning the block and flipping. I was gonna pop my shit, but I did that enough when the beat was coming around. Y'all fuck niggas a clown. That's why y'all don't want y'all hoe to come around. We in the trap every day, nigga. Number ups, no downs. Big walk, nigga. Yeah.